Coco, do you know what today is? Ipsy! We actually just did BoxyCharm, but now it's Ipsy, so it's Ipsy and BoxyCharm day. Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today is Ipsy day. It is Ipsy day. I am excited. I've been using some of these products, and this is one of those bags where you're gonna be like, it's not really that great, but they're actually items that I wanted. So that's what makes it great. You know, it's not like I didn't get some expensive like Huda thing or Rare Beauty thing, but I got things that I am actually going to use and have been using. So that's why it's great. Let me see if I can pull the prices and everything up. Let's go in order. So the bag is actually super cute. This is a cute bag.
That's my bag.
Oh yes, it's her bag. Well, it will be her bag. Oftentimes we just get bags and I'm just like, that's just a fucking bag. But this is a cute bag, okay? Let's start off. Okay, so we have Byroe, B-Y-R-O-E, Byroe. And let's push the learn button so we can look, because I don't remember what Byroe is, okay? Okay, so this is Byroe. It is a smushed up box and it retails for $100. Wait, I don't have glasses on. That can't say $114. That's it. It does not say $114. Probably just says 14. Holy shit, it says $114. Full size eye cream. Fake wake up with this moisturizing eye cream. 3 different types of truffle hyaluronic acid, helps reduce appearance of reduce appearance of bags. Plump up the skin, smooth look, use it after cleansing, gently press a pea-sized amount. Wow, it contains triple hyaluronic acid, avocado peptides to enhance blah blah blah. $114. This shit's gonna be amazing. I want it to be amazing, but is it really gonna be? I don't know. It's nice packaging. It's a truffle eye serum. I love truffle fries. Love truffle fries. So that is what the top looks like. Trying to have Coco cover her face. I'm trying to cover my own face. It's not working here, people. Let's squeeze some out. We don't want to squeeze too much since it's so expensive. Has no smell, very lightweight, sheer, feels moisturizing. I don't know, but guess what? I'm gonna use it tonight. Follow our Instagram. I'm gonna use it tonight. I will post in the stories whether or not I think it was amazing. Not that my opinion matters that much. Oh, but wow. Okay, I would say a lot of people love it, but I feel like people just give things 5 stars on like Ipsy and BoxyCharm just so they can get through it and get their points. Okay, the next thing is Gold Faden MD. Gold Faden MD? I don't know. Is this it? Yeah. So this little bottle here, this retails, girl stop, $98? This is $98? You gotta be shitting me right now. I feel like, I have never even heard of these brands, okay? And we're already at $200 value, over $200 for brands I've never even heard of. Okay, whatever. Face serum, who needs a procedure when you have a powerhouse serum, liquid gold in a bottle? What is it supposed to do? So it helps to lift and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Well, I'm gonna use this also, okay? So, yeah, just follow my Instagram and I will let you know. And you know, I got to keep it real because I got some fine lines happening. I haven't went and gotten Botox in since like Christmas. All of our moving and everything, I haven't been able to go. I haven't been able to find a spa to do it or anything, so my Botox is worn off and I'm looking my age. Well, I don't think I'm looking my age because I'm Filipino, well, Filipino and Hawaiian, and they age well, but I'm definitely looking older than I should be. Oh, shit. That squirted out. That squirted. Okay, was not expecting that, so FYI there. It just feels very jelly. It feels like jelly. Has no smell. Has no smell, which I love. I appreciate the no smell products. I don't want to smell products. Unless, of course, they smell like they work. You know how something smells clinical and you're like, yeah, that shit works? Okay, that's cool. So those are 2 things that I'm not necessarily like, yay, I got that. Unless, of course, they work. But the other things are like, yay, I'm so happy. Okay, so the next thing we have is this from The Word Woke. We've gotten something from them before. I don't remember what it was. I think whatever I got, I had actually sold on Poshmark, so I didn't use it. But this, I actually used. I picked this up. I was like, oh, hell yes. So it has a cute little box thing it comes with, but It is a sleeping mask. Inside the sleeping mask, there are two little pockets. So you can put these in the freezer or the fridge. There's two of them. The freezer or the fridge. I meant like you can warm them up in the microwave or you can put them in the freezer. So they can be hot or cold. I had them in the freezer. I put them in here one morning when I got up, and then I went and laid back down because I was just not feeling it. And I love, love, love this. I use this every night now and I am obsessed. But it also came with these, which I'm excited to use. It's a steam session, reduces dark circles plus puffy eyes, unscented. This retails for $50. I don't know, this is not a $50 value, okay? Not gonna lie. You could get this type of thing from somewhere else for significantly cheaper. But am I happy I got it? Yes. Remove a pair of the heat cells from the package and insert into eye mask. Okay, so you take these out, you put them into the little pockets in the eye mask, and then you wear this. I actually don't know if these are supposed to be in the microwave. I may have just lied to you. I think so, but I'm not sure. So don't let me be a liar. Oh yeah, it says cool or steam therapy. So yeah, you can make them warm. Moving on, I am happy that I got that. I'm super happy I got that. Let's go push the back button and go to the next thing. Oh, next thing y'all love. And I have a few of these. I used this one last night. Very happy, okay? This $23 value, I would say this probably is a $23 item because the quality is really good in this one. It came in this little packaging here. It is a hair towel. I'm obsessed with these, okay? So I have one that's all pink that is like a microfiber. I have a black one that's like a microfiber, and then a black one that's like a towel, and then I have this one. This is the biggest one, so I feel like if you have long hair, this would be perfect. So it says, not only is the microfiber hand towel stylish, it's also the best kind of towel you can use to dry your hair. Unlike cotton, microfiber doesn't dry your hair out, blah blah blah. Okay, so what I love about these, the first one I bought from like a Facebook ad or something, and it was like, your hair will dry in 15 minutes. That's a damn lie. You put this on, my hair is not thick, I put this on, I wear it overnight. Most of my hair all up here is dry, and then like the middle root area is still damp. So don't think this is just gonna dry hair, even literally overnight. Not happening. Especially if you have thick hair, and I don't have thick hair. So what you do with this, basically, you set this on top of your head, you twist this around, and then there's going to be a rubber band here, and you just connect it to the button and you wear it. I'm obsessed with these. Every time I wash my hair, I use one of these. This one feels softer than any other one that I have. This one looks cuter than any other one that I have. This is also significantly bigger than any of the ones that I have, which doesn't really make a big difference to me because I don't need bigger, but I'm happy. Like, this is one of the things I was like, yes, I'm definitely, like, I had no hesitation because I know this is something I am going to continue to use. So I'm happy about that. Okay, next thing, pushing the back button. $27. We got some Super Goop. This is Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. This is a full-size sunscreen, protect from UV rays, blah, blah. You know what sunscreen does, okay? Let's see. Oh, it's clear. I got a Super Goop sunscreen from TJ Maxx or something, and it is white cast. When I say white cast, I mean it gives white cast, okay? This is nice. Look at this. You can't see it. You can't see it. It feels, it's not drying, and it feels very silicone-y. I'm not gonna lie, I feel silicone in there. There's a slip feeling. Let me blow on it and see if it's gonna dry. I feel like this isn't gonna dry, so it is drying. It is drying. It's going to take a minute, so you're not going to want to go and apply makeup or anything right after you put this on, which you generally wouldn't want to do anyway, but I like this. How much? $27. This might be something that I will continue to repurchase. The thing I don't understand, okay, somebody explain this to me, because I'm confused. You use moisturizer, you use an SPF. Why not just use a combo of both? Like, what are good combos of both? I'm confused because, like, I love this moisturizer, which I just mentioned in, I don't know, the video where I was filming, like, the cleaning my desk out. I mentioned this. Okay, I don't know where I was going with this, but I love this, and it doesn't have SPF, so I'm like, okay, well, boom, here we go. But I'd rather not have to use two separate products. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, that's the box I got. Obviously, the value is there because the stuff was expensive. Like, the first two items are expensive. Not that I believe the price on that. But overall, I'm happy because I got things that I'm genuinely going to use. So I'm happy. Okay, anyway. So that's all the stuff that we got. If you haven't already, don't forget to... Oh, yeah. No. I forgot I wanted to tell them. Guys, I forgot I wanted to tell y'all. And I mentioned it in the BoxyCharm, and I'm going to keep mentioning it for a while. But we are bringing back Shopping with Shannon. Shopping with Shannon. Our motto with Shopping with Shannon is, save your money, spend your husband's. That was actually a joke. My husband was like, what do you want me to put as, like, you know, the little saying underneath on the card? And I put that. And I was joking, and he really put that. So that's not really the motto, but it kind of is. Anyway, Shopping with Shannon is coming back. The big kids are in kindergarten. The girls are going to be going to preschool part-time. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, I will be free to go out and film some shopping videos. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Five Below, Target and Walmart, you know, holiday sections. Oddly enough, we also have a Goodwill outlet center, and it's like this huge warehouse of Goodwill. I want to go there and check it out, so I figured I'd film that for y'all. But that is going to be coming next month, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, go ahead and subscribe to it so that you're ready for it, because I am super excited to be getting back to that. Anyway, let's end this, okay? If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. If you haven't already, oh wait, that's not what we say. I'm pushing the back button and nothing's happening. I need coffee.
Coffee?
What time is it? We need a charger up here.
Why? I need a charger up here.
For my phone.
Is it dead?
No, but it's not alive. Oh, turn it off.